YouTube, the Honest Mechanic back again. We have a 1999 Chevy Tahoe, four-wheel drive. Customer concern is vibration while accelerating from 40 kilometers an hour and up. I test drove the vehicle and confirmed that. And what I found is when I'm hitting 100 on the highway there, it's actually getting really bad and the whole truck is vibrating. We did do the front U-joints already on this, and it's fine, but the customer had said that his U-joints in the rear were already done, so I ignored it, being stupid. And now I've just come back here, and as you can see, it's moving like crazy.